Guys, November 1st, 2022. This one here, I got a call from daughter of an elderly lady. She's got a problem with a shower leaking and also a leak under the under the bathroom sink. Something's leaking under there. So we're gonna go over there and see if we can help her out. I called the daughter, I guess the mother's home there, so we're gonna go over there and see if we can fix it for her. What's going on? Miss Molly, you're getting the Grinch feet, Miss Molly. You're getting the Grinch feet, Miss Molly. You're getting the Grinch feet. I'm gonna have to trim them. Yeah. You're getting the Grinch feet, Miss Molly. When she runs it, it leaks.
Yeah. É quando você botar água pra cima pra shower.
Oh yeah, alright, yeah, it's coming out the diverter. I can fix that easy enough. Yeah, I can fix that.
Yeah.
I can fix that. That's a common problem with these. Alright, what else? It said there's a leak under the sink?
Tem leak aí, ela disse que você tem
I can fix that easy enough. Let me see. She said there was a leak under the sink.
A Esperança disse a ele que você tinha qualquer leak aí no sink.
Only when I used the plunger.
Alright, deixa ele.
Only when you use the plunger. Alright, we'll fix that. We'll fix that when I'm in here, okay?
When I use the plunger,
Yeah, it leaks. It might just be loose.
it's no water because I haven't
loose.
used it. It's been okay.
Alright. Come off. I'm not surprised. There's a diverter in there that leaking, guarantee it. This bottom diverter. I could change that easy enough.
That's good.
Very easy.
Yeah, it's easy for when you know what you're doing.
Yeah, when you know what you're doing. Sometimes this will leak, but I don't think that's the case. How long you been retired?
Oh, I retired a long time ago.
You got a garden?
I'm 71 years old already.
That's still young, 71, yeah.
Yeah, I have a garden, yeah.
A lot of these guys, they retire and then they're dead in a couple of years.
Yeah, that's not because you retired.
That's what I see. Well,
It's crazy. It's just like my wife. My wife's still working.
This is what's leaking, guarantee. Your wife's still leaking? Your wife's still working?
She's 71 and she's still working.
Wow.
She's working from home though.
That's the kind of wife you want. Send her to work.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah.
No, I want her to stay home, but
You do?
she says she's gonna get bored. She doesn't want to get bored, so now she's overwhelmed with the work, the grandkids.
Yeah, you can see it's all wet in there. That's what was leaking.
Couple of grandkids
We'll change that.
and
We'll
her.
fix it. We'll fix it right up for you, guy.
Good.
Hopefully it comes out. It's just a little O-ring in there that gives you. Yeah, there it is, right there. Come right out. I'm gonna slick. Come out slick as shit.
Oh.
Huh?
Huh? Não.
Yeah, come
É
on.
uma peça. É uma peça que vai na.
No big deal.
naquela parte. Ele diz que não é big deal. Ele já vai.
No big deal.
Leva uma washer lá dentro. I guess que a washer já estava.
We'll fix it. We'll fix it. There's a little O-ring in there that eventually lets go, so.
Se ele tem os preparos, só ele meteu coisa a agarrar assim na peça. Assim. See, that's the thing. Yeah.
See the O-ring?
Yeah.
That's what went wrong, that O-ring there, see it?
Yeah.
So we'll just put a new one in there. The O-ring is the only thing you really gotta change, but I always put a new one in there. I don't play around with the old shit, you know?
Sure. Why bother?
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If you're gonna do it, Put in a new part, right?
Sure.
No
Might
problems.
as well.
That goes up like that. Oh yeah.
Oh, good.
And then there's a little brass retainer that's gotta go in there. Sometimes they used to make these out of plastic and they would break, these little retainers.
That's good. We thought maybe it was the pipe or something.
No, this is very common. These are very common with these, yeah. It's a bad design. It's a design issue, you know?
Right. They don't care. They don't have to
Well, I mean, it's a good valve. It's just... What happens is, like you know, you're 70 years old. After a while, you start getting a little crusty there, right?
Oh, yes.
You got issues with this and with that, right?
Issues with that.
Same thing with the valve. It gets old.
Nothing lasts forever.
No.
Nothing lasts forever.
That's for sure. One thing that lasts forever is their marriage, right?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Huh? You got a good one.
I do, so far.
Really hope she don't kick you out.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You never know these days.
You never know, huh?
Sometimes it's the man, sometimes it's the woman. What are you gonna do?
Yeah.
We got 48 years in already, so.
How many?
Yeah, 48.
Wow, good for you.
I mean, there's always little problems, but so far, I guess nothing that we can't handle, you know?
I married a movie star.
A movie star.
Yeah.
Wow.
You probably heard of her. She was on the big screen.
She was on the big screen.
Yeah, she's famous.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Huh.
She sunk the Titanic.
Oh, yeah?
You ever see that movie, The Titanic?
Yeah.
She sunk the Titanic.
She sank it?
She sunk it.
Oh, gee.
And flip an iceberg.
Yeah, so we stay busy. 6 grandkids.
Wow. Good for you, huh? 6.
6, yeah. I have 3 daughters, so each daughter has 2. Yeah, 3 boys and 3 girls.
That's enough. 2's enough. I mean, years ago there was no TV, you know, they ended up having 6, 8 kids, you know.
Yeah.
Now it costs so much to raise them now.
Yeah.
Crazy.
It's crazy, right?
All right, so this is going to be fixed now. That's all. No. And then we'll have to figure out what's going on with a drain. I'm thinking it's probably just loose piping under there, because the only time it leaks is when she said she uses the plunger, right?
Yeah.
We'll figure it out.
She never
Figure it out.
said anything to me, so I never even tried it.
All right, no more leaks. No more leaks. It was that diverter was bad. So, the time this leaks is when you use the plunger. That's kind of a cool little plunger. Where'd you get that? Huh?
Did you hear what he said?
I like that plunger. Where'd you get
hear what he
that?
said?
That thing's
Said
pretty
it's
cool.
a cool plunger. Where did you
That's
get
a
it?
cool one.
Cool one, he says.
Yeah, I'll have to get one like that. Huh?
The other one, she says, the other one is too hard, so.
Yeah. You like this area? Nice area? You like living in the area? You like it here? She don't.
He's asking if you like living here, this area.
Yeah.
Oh, she don't speak.
She
don't.
speaks English, yeah.
A little bit.
But
Well, this
she
is
had
kind of
hard
weird.
time
It's like it's all burnt.
A lot of years.
Even though she has the hearing aids, but I don't understand.
Yeah, it's all pretty tight here, so that's not an issue. It's probably.
You don't see anybody else.
Well, that's a little loosey-goosey. Oh yeah, this is really loosey-goosey. Yeah, this is the problem. It's loose. It's loose as a goose.
It's loose.
Loose, yeah.
Loose underneath.
No good. Alright, tighten it up. We'll try it now. That's probably all it was. Top was loose.
I put my finger here.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, I see. There she's going now. She's going down now. I like your plunger. Gets all full of muck and hair inside there, you know, and that's what happens. Yeah, it's not leaking now. That's all it was. Needed a little loving. Huh? Needed a little attention. That's all.
It's out of my ear.
Even the fat chicks need some loving. Right?
That's right.
Alright, that was an easy one.
That was fast enough. That's good.
It was just loose.
Yeah.
So, the nut on the very bottom of the sink.
Yes.
Good enough. Good enough. I like the little plunger though.